How to add promotion on LinkedIn. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add the promotion on LinkedIn. So let's say you got a promotion and you want to update it on your LinkedIn. So first open up your LinkedIn application and simply head over to your profile icon at the top left corner just like this, and simply select your profile, or you can also head over to your profile section just like this and by clicking on your name. And once you're inside here, just scroll down and select the experience option. So now click on this editing experience option over here, and let's say I was promoted to my senior front-end developer. So simply head over to this pen icon once again, and under your title settings, title, simply select it and simply type in the word like a senior front-end web developer. And as you can see, the LinkedIn will give me an option to add a new position like a promotion. So you can simply tap on this button over here and make sure you have enabled this notify network so that everyone will be notified about your position promotion. And once you do that, you can also edit all of these things over here, and once you're satisfied with everything, click on save, and you can finally click on the start a post, and just like that everyone will be able to see that you have got a promotion on your position. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.